Hello, my name is Phil Cohen, Assistant Instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Today we're going to look at the hammer block. It's a different variation of a lot of blocks we do, like the outer forearm block or the inner forearm block. This comes from the opposite direction, actually. So we're going to do this in a front stance. So I'm going to get into a good left front stance. I'm going to hold my retraction arm out front, my front arm. Okay, I'm going to get to a good front stance. Front knee bent, back leg straight. Okay, so you want to start with your blocking arm, your fist right by your ear, facing to the front. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to actually do a little bit of a twist. You're going to come across in front of your face like so. Okay, you want to keep you don't want you to extend your arm like this. It's an up close block, so you're really going to keep that elbow bent like that. Okay, so let me demonstrate a few of these. And we'll just take it nice and slow. You're going to start with your fist facing forward, and you're going to come around, and your fist is going to face towards you. Okay, so I'm going to twist and block, twist, and block, twist, and block. You want to stop right about there. You don't want to do a wild block. You want to have a nice controlled block like so. Okay, so I'm going to have this hill come in and demonstrate how this block works. Okay, so this hill's going to stick that blocker right in my face. So we're going to start off with just touch and push. So I'm going to extend my retraction arm. Okay, I'm going to get to a good front stance. Okay, making sure my back's straight. I don't want to lean into it. I want to make sure that my back is straight the whole time. Okay, so I'm going to come across and then do a touch and push. Push it out of the way. And 2. And 3. Okay, now what she's going to do is a thrust. So let's say it's like a punch coming towards me. So she's going to do a thrust. So go ahead. Okay, ready? And 1. And 2. And 3. Okay, we're going to try this from another angle. Okay, a little closer. Okay, just going to hold it in my face. Okay, make sure I'm in good front stance. Traction arm in front. Okay, I'm going to twist, come across like so. Make sure that retraction arm is coming down to your waist. Okay, ready? 2. Touch and push. And 3. Okay, now she's going to do a thrust. Okay, ready? And 1. And 2. And 3. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, things to focus on. Good front stance, keeping your back straight. You want to lean into the block. Traction arm starts out front like this, and you're going to come across in front of your face, because that's where the attack or punch is going to come from, or target. Come across, just like so. And that is the hammer block.